Hi, and welcome to Engineering Essentials AutoCAD Instruction. In this episode, I'll be talking about creating tolerance dimensions. There are two basic methods of creating a tolerance dimension. You can create a new tolerance dimension style and use that to create your dimensions, or you could override your current dimension style temporarily in order to create the tolerance dimensions you need. Let's start by creating a new tolerance dimension style. We will look at the options and what can be changed. So let's go ahead and get into the Dimension Styles Manager. And we're going to do a new style based off of the ASME style. We'll call it Toleranced. Make sure it's annotative. Continue. And then you see we have a Tolerance tab. This is where we're going to select all of our options. All right, so the first thing you want to choose is your method. So if we use symmetrical, you can see how the preview changes. You get a basic size and then a plus or minus a value. So the plus and minus are going to be the same. If you use deviation, the plus and minus can be different. And then we have limits, which gives you a maximum and minimum size. The last one is basic. So this puts your dimension in a box, giving you a basic size. All right, so let's go and choose limits. Then we want to choose our precision. So let's go ahead and choose 1 decimal place. And then you can see how it changes in the preview. And then the upper value and lower value. This is what you add to and subtract from the basic size. So let's add 0.1 millimeter and subtract 0.2 millimeters. So the lower value is expecting to subtract. So you don't have to put a minus there. It will automatically subtract it for you. If you need to add the lower value, then that's when you would put a minus. All right, so now we want to unclick this trailing 0, because you can see in the preview, if you don't have that unclicked, you're not going to get a 0. So we're going to unclick that, and there you go. All right, and then we will say OK and see how that works. Oh, actually, we want to adjust this vertical position to be middle. So that means that the radius or diameter symbol will be in the middle. You can see if I do bottom, see that doesn't look right. We want middle. All right. So we'll go OK, close, and let's erase this 40 millimeter dimension and reapply it and see what we get. There you go. All right, so next let's try the override method. So we're going to override the ASME style. We're going to set that current again. Now we could modify it, but that changes it permanently. What we want to do is just override it. So we'll go in and override it. This time let's do the deviation. So we'll add 0.1, subtract 0.2. We want to set the middle, click off the trailing. All right, and the precision, definitely want to set that. All right, we'll go OK and close. You can see that we have created a style override right there. And to get your tolerance dimension, all we have to do is update the dimensions we want to change. So we'll update, let's say, the 55. And there you go. So this override style is not permanent. You can just go back in, select ASME, and set that current. There you go. And if you need to do different, plus or minus values, I think the override is the best way because it allows you to quickly go in there and change what you need. All right, so that's a quick look at tolerance dimensions. Have fun and explore, and I'll catch you in the next episode.